How to log out of Google Drive account. So if you want to log out of your Google Drive account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the upper right, which has that Google Apps icon. Click on Google Apps, and here you can scroll down, and here you will have Google Drive. Click on Google Drive and open up your drive. Or you can simply go for drive.google.com. Once you open your drive, you can go for the upper right, which has that. And once you open your Google Drive, now if you want to log out of your Google Drive account, you can go for the upper right, which has that profile icon. Click on profile, and if you want to sign out or log out of your account, then you can simply go for sign out. Once you click on sign out, you can click on continue, which is on the left. And that's it. Now you've been signed out of your account. So that's how you sign out of your Google Drive account, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.